Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn continuation of straight lines. Yesterday we discussed about straight lines and some formulas, properties, and today we will do some more problems. So let us see. So the today's class objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to solve the problems relating to straight lines to have a clear idea on the concept of straight lines. Straight lines problems. Structure. Find the different forms of line equations using given data. Point of intersection of two lines. Angle between two lines. Parallel line equation and perpendicular line equation. Perpendicular distance of a line from a given point. So recap. In previous class we learned what is the slope, y-intercept form of straight line. So that is y equals to mx plus c. Next, what is slope point form of straight line equation? Here y equal to mx plus c means m means slope and c is the intercept of y-intercept, where line is intercepted on y-axis. And now second point is what is slope point form of straight line equation? In previous class we learned 5 forms of the line equations. So point slope form is, we can say y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. What is 2-point form of straight line equation? When 2 points are given, that is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then equation of the straight line is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. What is general form of straight line equation? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. What is two intercepts form of straight line equation? X by a plus y by b equals to 1. Point of intersection, that is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 comma a2 c1 minus c1 a2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So here point of intersection means two lines are intercepted at a point and that particular point here given. So two lines equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and second one a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Next, angle between lines of slopes m1 and m2. So tan theta equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So these are all formulas. Parallel line equation to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is ax plus by plus k equals to 0. Here look, in a parallel line x y coefficients should be same. There is not same, we have to convert it into same by taking common or multiplying or dividing. Next, perpendicular line equation to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. Here coefficients are interchanged and y coefficient will be negative and constant will also change. But in parallel line equations, xy coefficients are same, only constant term changes. Perpendicular distance of a line ax plus by plus c equals to 0 from x1 comma y1 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. Now let us see the problem. Find equation of a line passing through minus 1 comma 2 with slope 4. Slope point form equation is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Here m given 4 and point x1 comma y1 equals to minus 1 comma 2. So we know the formula, that is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So given that x1 equals to minus 1, y1 equals to 2 and m equals to 4. Substituting the values in the form, we get y minus y1 means 2 equals to m means 4 and x minus x1 means minus 1. So now we have to simplify it, that is y minus 2 equals to 4 into x minus into minus plus, so x plus 1. Then y minus 2 equals to 4x plus 4. Then 4x plus y minus 2, if it brings to right side, it will become plus 2, and already we have plus 4, that equal to 0. So 4x minus y plus 6 equals to 0. This is the equation of a line which is passing through minus 1 comma 2 with slope 4. So therefore the equation is 4x minus y plus 6 equals to 0. Next, second question. Before going to do, we have to understand the question and what are the points or data given. We have to observe, then we have to start the solution. Find equation to a line passing through 2 comma 3 and slope minus 2 by 3. Here similarly this question is as the first one, that is point given and slope also given. So the formula is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus 3 equals to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 2. And if 3 comes to left side, it is multiplied. So 3y minus 9 equals to, and right side we multiply with minus 2, that is minus 2x minus into minus plus 4. So now if we bring it in order, which are left side terms, if it comes to right side, we can write 2x plus 3y minus 13 equals to 0. So it is same as the first one we did. Next question, third one. Here the question is different with previous questions. So first observe what is given. Find the equation of line passing through -2 comma -3 and 4 comma -3. Here 2 points are given and we have to find equation of the line. See, when 2 points are given, the equation is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So here x1 y1 is -2 comma -3 and x2 comma y2 is 4 comma -3. So given that and substitute these values in the form, we get y minus of -3 equals to -3 minus of -3 by 4 minus of -2 into x minus x1 means -2. So wherever we have minus, we are keeping in the bracket. So there is no confusion if we kept in a bracket. Now we will simplify. Minus into minus plus y plus 3 equals to -3 plus 3 by 4 plus 2 into x plus 2. So y plus 3 equals to 0 because -3 plus 3 get cancelled. Then we have 0. 0 by something or 0 into something is 0. So equation of the line is y plus 3 equals to 0. Next question. Find the equation of the line passing through 3 comma 2 and 6 comma -3. 2-point form equation is we already know, that is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So here given that x1 comma y1 equals to 3 comma 2 and x2 comma y2 equals to 6 comma -3, substitute the values in the form, we get y minus y1 means 2 equals to -3 minus 2 by 6 minus 3 into x minus 3. Y minus 2 equals to -5 by 3 into x minus 3. So 3 of y minus 2 equals to -5 into x minus 3. So 3y minus 6 equals to -5x plus 15. So bring to the left side, then we get 5x plus 3y minus 6 minus 15 equals to 0. So 5x plus 3y minus 21 equals to 0. So this is the equation when 2 points are given. Next question. Find the equation of the line passing through 0 comma -3 and 5 comma 0. So here also 2 points given and it is same as above questions. So after substituting in the formula, we will get 3x minus 5y minus 15 equals to 0. So you write the formula, that is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, and in place of x1 y1 we have to substitute 0 comma minus 3, and in place of x2 y2 we have to substitute 5 comma 0. Then we will get next question. Find the points of intersection of lines 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. So we already know point of intersection, we have direct formula. So the given equations we have to take and compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Then we have to substitute in the intersect point formula, that is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 comma a1 c2 minus c1 a2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And another method is also there. There are so many methods to solve the equations. So here we discuss two methods. One is using the formula of point of intersection. Second one, solving the equations for x and y. First method, point of intersection. We already know, that is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 comma c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. See, in the intersection point the denominator is the same, only numerator changes. Now the given equations are, write one after one, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. We compare with the standard equations, we will get a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 3 and b1 equals to 3, b2 equals to minus 2, c1 equals to minus 4 and c2 equals to minus 2. So let us substitute the values in equation 1. We get, so 3 into minus 2 minus 6 and minus, as it is, minus 2 minus 4 means minus into minus plus, 2 into 4 8, and comes to denominator, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 3 into 3 9, minus 9 comma 3 into minus 4 is minus 12, minus 2 into 2 plus 4 by denominator same. So again, if we simplify, minus 14 by minus 13 comma minus 8 by minus 13. So numerator and denominator have negative, means we can get cancel. So 14 by 13 comma 8 by 13. So this is the intersect point of given two lines. And second method, solve the equations for x and y. Let us take the equation, one of the equation is as a equation number 1, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0 as a equation 1, and another equation is consider it as a equation number 2. 3x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Next, make the coefficients of x equal in both equations. See here, we have to equal the coefficients of x. So to equal, we have to do first, in the first equation x coefficient is 2, so multiply with 2 to the second equation, and second equation containing 3 for x coefficient, so multiply with 3 to the equation 1. Then both the equations get same coefficients, so that is multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. We get 6x plus 9y minus 12 equals to 0. And for second equation, we get 6x minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Now both the coefficients are same. So if we subtract, then we get 13y minus 8 equals to 0. While we are subtracting, the second equation's signs will be changed. Here 6x is containing positive sign, so when we are subtracting, it will become minus, and minus 4y becomes plus 4y, minus 4 becomes plus 4. So 6x minus 6x cancel. 9y plus 4y means 13y. Minus 12 plus 4 means minus 8 equals to 0. Then 13y equals to 8. That implies y equals to 8 by 13. Substitute this y value in equation 1 or 2 to get x. In any equation, we can substitute y value to get x. If you substitute equation 1 or 2, in any equation you substitute, but you will get same value for x. So after substitution, if we simplify, that is 2x plus 3 into 8 by 13 minus 4 equals to 0. 2x equals to 4 minus 4. If we put right side, it will become plus 4. And plus 3, if we bring right side, it becomes minus 3 and 8 by 13. So right side we can simplify our LCM. 13 is LCM. 13 4s are 52 minus 24. So 52 minus 24, we can write 28, and the left side 2 is multiplying with x. If it bring right side, it will comes in the denominator, so 2 into 13, so 28 by 2 means 14 by 13. So x is 14 by 13 and y is 8 by 13. So this is the intersection point, 14 by 13 comma 8 by 13. This is this is called second method. We solved the equations here. In first method, we used a formula, that is b1c2 minus b2c1 by a1b2 minus a2b1, comma c1a2 minus c2a1 by a1b2 minus a2b1. Now find the point of intersection of the lines. So the previous question is as we did, and in the same way we can do this also, because here also two equations given and asking intersection point. So if we substitute in the formula, we will get the answer, or we can solve the equations. You know how to solve, that is, first take the coefficient of x in the equation 1, that is 3, and multiply with 3 to the equation number 2, and in the second equation we have coefficient of x is 4, and take 4 and multiply to the equation 1. So then subtract from 1 and 2, you will get y value, and put y value in equation 1 or 2, you will get x. So that xy is nothing but intersection point. So if you substitute in the formula also, you know the intersection point. So here the answer is minus 31 by 7 comma minus 25 by 7. So B1 C2 means, imagine B1 is minus 4 and C2 is 7. So B1 C2 means minus 28. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. B2 is minus 3 and C1 is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 3. So B1 C2 minus means, so minus 28 minus 3, that is, we can say minus 31 by A1 B2. A1 is 3 and B2 is minus 3. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So 4 into 4 minus 16, and minus 4 we have here, so plus 16. 16 minus 9, we know 7. So that's why minus 31 by 7. Similarly, we can write using C1 A2 minus C2. C1 A2 minus C2 A1. So C1 A2 means minus 1 into 4 minus 4, and C2 A1 is 7 into 3 21, minus 4 minus 21, we know minus 25. So in any method you can do. Next, number 8. Find the length of perpendicular from the point 2 comma 3 to 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. So point is given and equation is given, and we have to find the length of perpendicular from the point to the equation. So solution is length of perpendicular. Suppose let the point P and from point P to equation of the line where it is joining, or distance, perpendicular distance, that is at PM, we can say perpendicular distance PM equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Here ABC means 2, 3, 5, and x1 y1 means the point, that is 2 comma 3. So given that x1 comma y1 equals to 2 comma 3, a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equals to 5. Now substitute the values in the formula. Then perpendicular distance equals to modulus of 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 by under root of 2 square plus 3 square. So 4 plus 9 plus 5 by root 4 plus 9, 18 by root 13. Next, find the length of perpendicular from the point 1 comma 1 to 3x minus 4y equals to 0. Here x1 comma y1 is 1 comma 1 and a b is 3 comma minus 4. C not given means we have to write 0. So substitute the formula, then we will get the perpendicular distance is 1 by 5. So you do and verify the answer. So that is, your answer should be 1 by 5. Next question. Find the equation to the line having intercepts minus 2 and 3 by 2 on the axis. Intercepts form is, so here the question, intercepts are given and we have to find the equation. So intercept form, we know x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Given that a equals to minus 2 and b equals to 3 by 2. Substitute the values in equation 1, we get x by minus 2 plus y by 3 by 2 equals to 1. So minus 2 we can write in the numerator, the minus we can write at numerator, so minus x by 2 plus in the denominator 3 by 2 we can write 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into y or 2y by 3 equals to 1. Take LCM. So 2 and 3 LCM is 6 and minus 3x plus 4y equals to 1. Then bring to the right side, that is minus 3x plus 4y equals to 6. Take left side terms to right side, then we get 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. The equation is 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. So here we used intercept form and substituted and simplified. Finally we got the equation. Next question. Find the equation to the line having intercepts minus 2 and 3 by 2 on the axis. So substitute, we get and simplify, that is 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. Next, find the acute angle between the lines x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. Solution. Take the first line equation, x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0, equation 1. Here a equal to 1, b equals to minus 3, c equals to 6. Slope of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is minus a by b. Then slope of equation 1 is m1 equals to minus 1 by minus 3 by using minus a by b formula. So in the numerator and denominator, minus minus will become plus. So m equals to 1 by 3. Now take the second line equation, that is 2x plus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equals to 10. And equation of the second line slope. So slope of second line is m2 equals to minus a by b, means minus 2 by 3. Let theta be the angle between two lines, then tan theta equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by tan theta equals modulus of m1 plus m2 by 1 minus m1 m2. So the tan theta equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so m1 is 1 by 3 and m2 is minus 2 by 3. So substitute then here in the denominator tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So here we have to edit, that is plus. Next substitute the m1 and m2 values, then after simplify we will get 9 by 7. So you have to know how to add the numbers or fractions, then simplify. Here 1 by 3 and minus of minus plus 2 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 3 by 3 means 1. And in the denominator we have 1 minus 2 by 9. After taking LCM it is 7 by 9. In the denominator, if the fraction is there, it will be reversed. So 9 by 7 into 1, 9 by 7. Now theta equals to tan inverse of 9 by 7. Using calculator we find theta equals to 52 degrees 7 minutes. So find the acute angle between the line 3x minus y plus 5 equals to 0 and x minus y minus 6 equals to 0. So it is like similarly we discuss similarly 11th problem. So take a1 b1 and find m equals to minus a by b, that is minus a1 by b1. Similarly second equation also you have to find slope and substitute tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, then simplify and then you can write theta equals to tan inverse of so and so, and using calculator you know the angle is 30 degrees. You try and verify. Next, find the equation to a line parallel to 5x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 and passing through the point 1 comma 1. So I already told you parallel means x and y coefficients should be same, only constant term will be changed. So 5x plus 3y plus k equals to 0, and passing through the point means the point is if we substitute on the equation it will be satisfied. On that condition we know k value, that is 5 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus k equals to 0, then k plus 8 equals to 0, k equals to minus 8. So finally we got k value. So answer is 5x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Next question. Find the equation to a line passing through 1 comma 2 and perpendicular to the line x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. So equation to a line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. So given equation is x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is 2. Substitute the values in equation 1. Then we get 2x minus 1y plus k equals to 0. consider it as a 2. To find k, we have given the point 1 comma 2. Since equation 2 passes through the point 1 comma 2, the point should satisfy the equation 2. So substitute x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 in equation 2. So we get 2 into 1 minus 1 into 2 plus k equals to 0. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 get cancelled, that is 0. So now substitute k in equation 2, we get the perpendicular line equation as 2x minus y equals to 0. Find the line equation parallel to the line x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0 and passing through 2 comma minus 3. A line equation parallel to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is ax plus by plus k equals to 0. Given equation is x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Next, a equal to 1, b equal to 2. So substitute the values in equation 1, that is x plus 2y plus k equals to 0. Since the line passing through the point 2 comma minus 3, so the point should satisfy the equation number 2. So substitute x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3. Then we get k value is 4. Now substitute k in equation 2. We get parallel line in equation x plus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. Summary. We have learned how to find different forms of equations of straight lines using the given data. So how many problems we did? Point slope form, slope intercept form, when 2 points are given, when 2 intercepts are given, and angle between 2 lines, and intersection of a point, and parallel line and perpendicular line. So angle between 2 lines. These type of problems we are done. So we are given point of intersection of given 2 equations in 2 different methods. Yes, one is direct formula, that is b1c2 minus b2c1 by a1b2 minus a2b1, and another one is c1a2 minus a2c1 by a1b2 minus a2b1. And second method is we have to equate the coefficients of x in both the equations, and after subtract from 1 and 2, then we will get y value and substitute the y in equation 1 or 2, then we get x. That xy is called point of intersection. So the 2 methods are we discussed. The angle between 2 straight lines. A line which is parallel to given equation. A line equation which is perpendicular to given equation. The perpendicular distance of a given point from a given line. So the perpendicular distance of a given point from a given line, that is we discussed it as a PM. P is a point and M is where the distance from P to straight line, and from P2 if we draw a line to the given straight line in the perpendicular way, that perpendicular line is joined or intersected at M, so that is PM. That distance is called perpendicular distance, and we are solved 2-3 problems on that also. So the perpendicular distance formula is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c1 or c by under root a square plus b square. So this is the formula for perpendicular distance. Assignment. So find the equation of the line passing through the points. So 2 points are given. One is 0, -3 and 5, 0. Similarly 1, 4 and -3, -2. 2, -1 and 0, 6. And fourth one -2, -4 and -1, -2. Next, find the point of intersection of the lines. So 2 lines are given and we have to find intersection point. So first one is x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0, 2x plus 3y equals to 10. And second, 3x minus y plus 5 equals to 0, x plus 3y minus 3 equals to 0. Similarly, you can do or you can read. So now another question, that is find the perpendicular distance of 3, -4 from 2x minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0. Another one, the perpendicular distance from origin to 3x plus 4y minus 15 equals to 0. Origin means here the point is 0, 0. So like this you can do remaining second, third, fourth, fifth. Next, fourth bit, find the equation of a line. Number 1, passing through 2, 5 and perpendicular to 3x plus 4y minus 1 equals to 0. Like same second one, third one, fourth one. And fifth, find the equation of line passing through 3, 4 and parallel to 3x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. And similarly like second one, third one, fourth one. So this is the today's class. So yesterday or in previous class we discussed formulas, and in this class we discussed some problems which are related to the formulas, the different types of problems, the different forms. So based on these problems you can do some more problems at home, or whenever you are free you do. So if you are doing means you know and you can understand, and it will be useful for further studies. So try to do homework which are given as an assignment, and see the PowerPoint presentation once again if you want, and understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask me or call me, or you can post your doubt on WhatsApp also. So take care, and remaining we will discuss in next